Why you? Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. If you go on my Facebook now, you will see I only got like 200 and something friends. I unfriended like a lot of people because what's the point I got you on Facebook for? What? We don't talk. If you see me in the road now, you don't even greet, but we friends on Facebook. So what? They must change that word. It's not friends. It's Facebook friends. It's Facebook people, basically. You add me on Facebook, but when you see me, you don't greet. You make like you smart. You beefing with me or some shit. That's weird, cause only people I didn't unfriend is family. And if none of these people that call themselves family, no, greet me, send a message to say hello. You know what I'm saying? Send them. Ask me how I'm doing. Ask me how my channel is or anything, right? If none of them ask me that, besides my aunties that's old, if my cousins don't do that shit, I'm unfriending them also straight, because what I've realized now in my life, I've always been the one to reach out and greet. Even if I'm dik gesep, I'll greet and be like, how are you? You know what I'm saying? What you doing at least? How's your business going? How's this? How's this? Not once did any of you motherfuckers ask me, how's your channel? Oh, how many subscribers you got now? Oh, here's a liquor video. Why don't you do a reaction on this? Nothing. Like, where's my support? Where's the love I get? The only love I ever get, no? The only support, only love, only real nigga vibe I get is from my Owens, man, the subscribers on my channel. So I have to say, no, much love to you, Owens. I really appreciate every single one of you that ever commented on my videos, ever. Thank you so much, man, because yeah, no, man, sometimes, no, we're not supposed to look at comments and be like, yo, gevaarlijk, he said I'm quiet, he said I'm funny, he said we shouldn't get let go off of those comments, no, because what can make you smile can make you cry. The same thing that makes you smile can make you cry. So if I'm getting lekker for your comments saying I'm gevaarlijk, I'm gonna vang a pain, I'm gonna feel cock if you're gonna say, oh, this video was whack and then. But sometimes, no, that's all of my needs, man. I just need, sometimes you can't help but just feel lekker when someone says, yo, this video, I enjoyed it, this made me subscribe to you, your energy is gevaarlijk and then. Sometimes that's all of my needs, man, because we all go through shit. You know what I mean? We all feel like, yo, sometimes we feel unappreciated. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, man, we got Dikowala, youngster CPT, Culture. You know what I'm saying? The gevaarlijke thing about culture is I can see Dikowala is from Khayelitsha. It's spelled in the way of Khayelitsha. Culture is spelled in the way of Khayelitsha, basically. Just without the ya, ayah, li. Ayali. Dope part is in every single thing this man is representing Kaapstad. As you can see, 021 in the back on the door. The door's number is 021. As you can see, Kurs is jacking his kufia with the, you know, you dig. Now, one thing about Dikowala is she is gevaarlijk. You can't not think that she is gevaarlijk. I like her. I only listened to one song of her and that song was gevaarlijk. Kulop, I think the song's name was Kulop. With Mr. Heinzmoes and Blackie. Now, youngster, obviously, Kurs is my favorite rapper, but obviously he's been making whack music lately, you know what I mean? And basically the Afrikaans rappers is making him look pop at the moment. But he can still spit, he's still gevaarlijk. And let's see if this has to be a Kaapstad number, a actual gevaarlijke number. The song's name is Culture. And they're both from Cape Town, Kaapstad. If this song isn't dope, then I don't know what is. Because this looks like a dope collab. This really looks like a dope collab. The song has to be dope, and it has to be. How can it not be? You know what I mean? Let's see. If the song is kak, though, it's kak. And if you got any suggestions, no, you know, most man, just put it in the comments. Give it in the comments, you dig. Boss life.
ingqondo ibotshiwe ngathi wenza iphonde into ephuma umlomo imbajo nesilolo
Real nigga shit. Did you hear what he said there? Real nigga shit. Obviously I don't know what he said, but she's just got that soulful vibe. No lie. Dikuwale, you got like, I can hear the cups that in you, man. I can hear it. No. Do you hear rap style, no? A lot of rappers, no? They don't actually spit their whole verse in one go. Do you know what I mean? A lot of them will spit 4 bars, no? And then they will play the song again, press record, let hear their verse. That first 4 bars, no? As that 4 bars plays, they will rap the next 4 bars. Then they will stop the song, play it over, rap the next 4 bars. That's how they rap, huh? That you listen to a song and you'll be like, yo, this man just doesn't stop rapping. This man is just so gevaarlijk with his verse. Yo, how does he stay so on point and without losing his breath? Nothing. Nah, it's because of that. He didn't spit that whole verse in one go. He spit first 4, next 4, next 4, next 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. You know what I'm saying? No cock. And she's doing it also, but it sounds dope. I'm not even gonna lie.
Nayeka nofakele slide iskela bafuna usithola ndisisitho Antanga nqaba unqanya ndihamba phezulu ndinamaphiko Abona
Koza rappers, no? I think she's speaking Koza. Look here, is it easier to rap in Koza or in English? Because it's like they don't run out of words when they're rapping in Koza. They don't. Everything sounds the same, but it doesn't sound like the same. It doesn't sound the same and it sounds the same. Is it easier to get rap words when you're rapping in Koza or what?
So you watch for the niggas can bonus and tell I engage and I sleep. Jengas like these niggas me never to la queen. And I see the pume culture zang and the thing and this and my beats. And I seen it says the ways and money is a yes and cabin I'm seen. I cousin this is a like I can't see a packing with a cribble.
Nah, this is a Nicoli. Sorry brother, I see folly. I was rapping on the cooler boxes, seeing cops and robbers buying solis. I want all the smoke like a Scotly. I don't talk to pigs and the
I want all the smoke like it's what?
Seeing cops and robbers buying solis. I want all the smoke like a Scotly. I don't talk to
I want all the smoke like it's courtly.
Pigs and the bosses. I am to pick tongue and hip hop what DJ my body means to Pretoria. Guys out now you're in a blackout. Saying S-coms push, I'm a bad mouth.
Culture, you had to say Kaapstad now you're in the song. It's a must. You dig it's a must. Are you not gonna say that? And the song is Culture and it's 021 and you wing a Kofia and you wing. You know what I'm saying? How can you not say Kaapstad now you're in the song?
And the bosses. I am to pick tongue and hip hop what DJ my body means to Pretoria. Guys out now you're in a blackout. Saying S-coms push, I'm a bad mouth. Load shedding kilos in the crack house. Stick 8 them.
Load shedding kilos in the crack house.
My knife gonna stab out 10 years and I didn't take a day off. But I'm still on track like a racehorse. They will kill your career when they take off. And if it's world
Oh, as a boy, they will kill your career when you take off. Take off must got killed. So his career ended. Not so fuck.
More now than I'm Adolf. I sold what I could as a hustler. The boys in the hood was my brother. On the hardwood then I dunked her. Ball in your big, call me NBA youngster.
Oh, NBA, yeah, I fucks with that.
But don't forget the CPT. For you it's a name but it's more than a handle. And if you win the rap for the scandals, you wasting your tape like you Andrew. You know that I'm
Wasting your okay, you're wasting your you I'm just a rapper today and you're wasting your tape like you Andrew, man. Andrew Tate. You're wasting your tape. Andrew Tate. You're wasting your. He's been doing this shit for 10 years and he still didn't stop there, man. Still on the racetrack. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like Cuz needs to. I'm not gonna keep saying the same thing all the time, man. Get another producer, man. Make a number with Culture Gang. Straight. Make a number with Culture Gang. I fucks with Culture Gangs. I like it, man's music. Make a number with him. Don't make a number with anyone else, girl. Anyone else. And he said CPT is not just a name, it's not just a handle. Because most people are putting CPT in their name, but they don't understand the meaning. Ask them the history of Cape Town, they can't tell you it. These owns got CPT in their name, but they can't stand for that name. Facts? You think I'm lying, girl? Ask these owns, what's the history of Kaapstad? You know what I'm saying? Because Youngster didn't just put CPT in his name. That man, if rapping didn't work out for Youngster, no, that man could be a history teacher today here in Cape Town. Because he knows everything about Cape Town. You think I'm lying? This man made me Google VOC, you know what I'm saying? Voice of the Cape, you know what I'm saying? He got me so curious as to what the fuck is this man talking about. Let me actually Google and see. This man is the reason why I know, no, that the first people that came to Cape Town, no, back in the day, the settlers, was not Jan van Riebeeck them. It was was it the Spanish or something? But it wasn't Jan van Riebeeck them. That's the crazy part. We were taught the whole time, the first people here was Jan van Riebeeck them. Nah, before that was other people. You know what I'm saying? No lie. And that people left us alone. They didn't catch on kak and kill us and all that stuff. And then the next Owens came and made kak. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Youngster is a real nigga. No lie. This man didn't do this for play. That's what you rappers need to understand. If you want to succeed in this, in Kaapstad, and you want to rap that gangster stuff and the Kaapstad stuff, you better know everything about it. Embody what you are rapping about. You know what I'm saying? Don't let it just be an act. Because it's not an act for Youngster. If it was and he's doing it alone. Alone with Muffin Man. Well, he started it like that. Alone. Him, his manager, and Muffin Man. This nigga went to Joburg alone. Alone. Wasn't getting paid nothing. Nothing was happening for this man, but he still went alone and did his thing there, made numbers there, didn't stop rapping, didn't stop representing Kaapstad, didn't stop chasing his dream. Now this man owns his own shop. This man is the king of Cape Town rap. This man is the king, straight. No matter, and this man got so much hate because that time when he wasn't stopping, when he was the only English rapper with this Kaapstad and all that stuff, right? In these clubs with all these Afrikaans rappers, that's also that expected to be where he is now. Now they see he's there, but they were taking cut of him when he was with them. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people hate this man because they see, when I was there, rapping the same time he was rapping, longer than him, I was scarling him thinking, Youngster, you whack, Jay, you whack. But maybe he was whack that time, so he didn't stop. He didn't let you tell him. You know what I'm saying? This man kept on and kept, yours man kept not. And look where he is now. Now no one can tell him nothing, Jay. Nothing about nothing. Real nigga, Jay. That's why I love Youngsters, this man.
Be with the G's. You just come to the Cape for vacation, relax on the beach for the peace. While we stuck in the zoo, fuck the president if we should meet. I'm a beast and go ape shit and break shit so that he can actually see what it means to be a product of our environment, straight from the street. Kaya Leach for the culture, for Kaya Leach. For the culture,
I must know the Kaya Leach culture is the same shit, you know what I'm saying?
For the culture, for Kaya Leach. For the culture, for Kaya Leach.
But now I'm gonna change on Youngster again, you know what I'm saying? Why are you saying for Khayelitsha? Why not for Ocean View? You know what I'm saying? Why not? Why are you I don't know, man. Always gonna ask, why don't you reach out to these ones? Feature only cokes on a song, feature MC Dan, feature a Gakkie, you know what I'm saying? Feature one of them on a number. Feature a Easter Tongue on a song, or even just do a cypher, freestyle cypher with these owns, because these owns, this exactly how serious you are about rapping, these owns are serious about rapping. No kak. But yes, for Khayelitsha, you dig. Much love to Khayelitsha, the whole place, Kaapstad, everything, you know what I'm saying? Boss Life, Lekker TV.